Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to customize your YouTube handle. So what's YouTube handle? Basically, like other social media platforms, there is a handle where at the rate and your handle, and this way people can find you or identify you. So basically, how to edit that same handle or how to customize your handle for your YouTube. So when you upload some content, people can tag you via that handle. Yes, on YouTube you can also get tagged. So now what you need to do is you need to basically go to your search bar and type in youtube.com and then go and type in /handle, right? And after that press enter. Now it'll take a bit of a loading depending on internet connection, and you'll end up on this page. So basically here is where you can click and change your handle, and after that this would be your URL. So what you need to do is you need to just simply click on change handle, and after that it's going to say that whether it's available or not. So we can say this, and it says it's already taken, right? So we can just go for, like, let's say 420, and it says okay, 420 is available. Now after that I can confirm the selection, and once it's done and I press OK, so this is going to be my new handle for my YouTube, right? So every time somebody posts something and types in at the rate 420 with bubble, so it's basically going to take me. So what's the benefit of it? Well, basically, first of all, you got to customize URL, and after that people can take you. When you see other creators are posting shorts, Google Shorts, YT Shorts everywhere right now. So yeah, people tag each other, they collaborate with each other. So this is how you tag the person you're collaborating with or the friend you're making the tag with. And also other creators can mention you at places like in the comment section, or the people can just mention you in the comment section. And after and the best part is people can just search for you with this simple, because it's easy to remember. It can be anything. Let's say yours can be more creative than this one. I just gave it a random name, so for you it might be like different. For you it might be, you can go with something that you want people to recognize you with, or people recognize you with that name, then you can use that handle, and through that people can find you on YouTube. So that's how you change the YouTube handle. Basically go to youtube.com/handles, this link, and after that just click on change handle and enter your customized handle. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.